everyone, it's Pamela. So this week I thought I'd do an exercise video.
Yeah.
I was kind of inspired by the cooking videos. It seemed to be quite like an upper body workout, and my whole body was sore from standing up the whole time. So I was like, you know what? I might as well do an exercise video. And also you need to burn all that off, right? Because those weren't the most diet foods that I did in the past cooking videos. So for this video, I'm gonna do what I literally do when I wake up. If you've watched my driving up the Cali coast video, I had just woken up and I said that I was gonna go exercise a little bit. Well, this is the exercise a little bit part. I don't do this every single day, but I'd say mostly Monday through Friday I do. So in the hour before I eat breakfast and stuff, I just try to get moving a little bit. I'm not a professional trainer or anything. I'm no fitness expert at all. I do not exercise that much.
Chunky monkey.
If you're trying to find different ways to add more movement to your day, if you don't already have your own routine, or if you just want to try something a little bit different, maybe what I do isn't what you do, so you can use that to change it up a little bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get started and yeah, so join along. The first thing that I start off with, I do a little bit of leg lifts. I guess it's a little bit ballet inspired. So I'm just gonna go do that. I'm gonna do front, side, back, and then do the other leg. You'll just see what I mean. So yeah, just leg lifts, but I'm gonna have to move away from the wall a little bit. And keep your whole body tight. So I just do 5 of those, and it's only waist high, nothing crazy or anything. And now side and back. And now the other leg. Okay, I'm done with that. So I guess it's good for balance, and just by holding up your arms, you feel it in your arms. Next, I'm just gonna do a cross. Again, I'm gonna do 5 reps of everything. You can adjust it to whatever your needs are, and 5 is enough for me. Again, this is just my day warm up, nothing too crazy or intense. So feet shoulder length apart. Now I spread my feet apart even more, and then I lean to one side and do more across. So again, lean. Other side. So now I'm going to do my triangle. Spread your feet apart and turn one foot facing forward, so your feet are perpendicular, and then palms flat like that, and then just turn. Keep everything square, and I'm going to pull up. So I'm going to go like that. Square up and do the other side. All right, this is gonna look so awkward, but I do a squat. I just spread my feet apart really wide, and then this is where you feel it in your glutes and your thighs. And I turn my feet out. I'm so gonna get roasted for this later. I just hold it for like a nice long 5 seconds. And then I lift up my heels. All right, now I'm gonna do a few lunges. So I'm just gonna put like my hands on my hips. So I'm gonna slowly make my way down to some floor exercises. So next up is gonna be downward dog position. And I'm just gonna be like lifting first like one leg, then the other, and then I'm gonna repeat that, but then I'm gonna tuck my knee to my chest. So you'll see what I mean. First, the downward dog. Alright, so now we're going to be getting on our knees, and I'm going to be doing a side plank, plank on my elbow, front plank, and then plank on my elbow, like twisting, and then the other side. So let's get into that.
Hard, stay.
And now the other side. Working up a sweat over here. All right, that's enough of that. And now child's pose to rest and stretch. I'm gonna do some leg lifts. I'm also going to do some of the scissor motion, but I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that from that angle because, again, I would hit the wall. I'm going to squeeze my knees to my chest, and this feels really good for the back, just in circles like that. A little corpse pose. Everyone's favorite position in yoga always. And now I think I'm gonna meditate for a little bit. So just clear your head and breathe in and out. And then also try to think of some good things, just like whatever makes you happy, and to get ready for the day, like, yes, you are strong and beautiful and you can do this, because the day is gonna throw so many curveballs at you. So it's nice to feel grounded, start your day off right. And yeah, now just finish off with a little bit more stretching and just shake it out, and yeah, we're almost done here. Wrists, fingers, and then roll your feet, shake it. And as I learned when I was volunteering in undergrad in the adult daycare center, shake, 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 but don't break. Gonna touch my toes. I really like stretching out my back leg though. Yes, and we are done. And sometimes at the end I also like to just dance it out just for fun. Just cherry on top to put me in that better mood for the day. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!